Hello, in this video I am going to be doing a DVD unboxing for Kamp Koral, SpongeBob's Under Years Season 1 Volume 2. This DVD was originally released on December 5th, 2023 in North America. I got this DVD for Christmas 2023, so I have no idea what the price was, but that's still pretty cool. 1 year ago, I already did an unboxing video for the Season 1 Volume 1 DVD. And now I have the Volume 2 DVD containing the rest of Season 1. This DVD containing the remainder of Season 1 was released 6 months after the season itself finished being released on May 26, 2023 on Paramount Plus. Like I said in my Volume 1 unboxing video, I still do not have Paramount Plus, and only a few of these episodes have aired on cable TV, though there's still several episodes on here that I have not watched yet. I do want to note on how this DVD was released on the same exact day that the SpongeBob SquarePants The Complete 13th Season and the Patrick Star Show Season 1 Volume 2 DVDs were also released. So yeah, on that day in particular, they wanted to give us a lot of SpongeBob-related content. Like I said before, Kamp Koral is an okay spin-off show, but there are still several episodes that I have not watched yet. Along with the Volume 1 DVD, now I have the entire first season of Kamp Koral SpongeBob's Under Years on DVD. Anyways, here is the front cover. New release. Sticker. Here we have some of the main characters standing in front of the Kamp Koral sign. Oh, down here it says includes the title zone, a SpongeBob Universe special, which is some weird crossover event they did involving the main SpongeBob show, this spin-off show, and the Patrick Star Show. Here is the spine. It has the new 2023 Nickelodeon logo. Got a picture of SpongeBob. 2-disc set. And here is the back. There's the description. You can pause and read if you want to. This volume contains the second half of Season 1, episodes 14 through 26, in a 2-disc set. Here we have some stock art pictures of the characters and some jellyfish. Here is the episode list. Discs made in Germany. Oh, there's the special feature, which was already mentioned on the front cover. Here we have the rating, the legal information, and the running time. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing part now. Plastic wrap removed. Here is a better look at the front cover without the new release sticker. This case feels sick, by the way. Opening up the case, we have the disc on two separate sides, which is kind of neat. Typical gray disc. There is disc 1. And disc 2. I'm going to try and take one of these out. That's going to be it for this unboxing video, so goodbye.